Hi, today I will explain the trigonometrical chapter 11.2 exercise, first bit, third problem. Sine 30 degrees plus tan 45 degrees minus cosecant 60 degrees divided by cot 45 degrees plus cos 60 degrees minus secant 30 degrees. I will find the problem. First, this problem has trigonometrical values. I will find out that trigonometrical values is sine 30, tan 45 and cosec 60, cot 45 and cos 60, sec 30 degrees. How can I find out? I will explain that clearly. Fingers trip. This one is 0 degree, this finger is 30 degrees, then third finger is 45 degrees and fourth finger is 60 degrees, fifth finger, thumb finger is 90 degrees. Okay. First, I will find the value is sine 30 degrees. Sine mean below fingers by 2. What is the below finger? 30 degrees, sine 30 degrees, 30 degrees below finger, 30 degree below finger is only 1 is there. Then root below finger is 1 by 2. Root 1 is equal to 1 by 2, 1 by 2. 1 mean 1, root 1 is equal to 1 square. 1 square means 1 into 1. Square root cancel, that is 1 by 2. Then sine 30 is equal to sine 30 degrees value is equal to 1 by 2. Sine opposite is cosecant. Cosecant means 2 by below finger. Okay. 2 by root of below finger. Root of below fingers. 2 mean 2 by root mean root below finger. 60 degrees below finger. 60 degrees is there on this place. Below fingers is 1, 2, 3. 2 by root 3 is cosecant 60 degrees value. Cosec 60 degrees value is equal. Cosec 60 degree value is equal 2 by root 3. Next, I will find the value is cos 60 degrees. Cos means root of above finger. Root of above fingers by 2. Then this implies root means root above finger. Above finger means 60 degree above finger. 60 degree above finger is only 1 by 2. Root 1 is equal to 1 by 2. Then cos 60 degrees is equal to 1 by 2. And next cos opposite is sec 30 degrees. Sec means 2 by root of above finger. Root of above fingers. That is equal to 2 mean 2 by root mean root above finger, 30 degrees above finger, 30 degrees is there on this place. Above fingers is 1, 2, 3. 2 by root 3 is sec 30 degree value is equal to 2 by root 3. And next, I will find the value is tan 45. Tan means root sine by cos. Tan is equal to sine by cos. Sine by cos means sine means root of below fingers. Root of below fingers by root of above fingers. Root of above fingers is equal to root of below finger. 45 degrees below finger. 45 degree below fingers is 2. Root mean root above finger. 45 degrees above fingers is 2. Root 2 is cancel. Answer is 1. Tan 45 is equal to 1. Cot 45 mean cos by sine. This is the opposite. Then that value is also 1. Okay. Tan 45 and cot 45 values are 1. Tan 45 degrees is equal to 1 and next cot 45 degrees is equal to 1. Then these trigonometrical values I will solve for the problem. Then this implies sin 30 value is equal to 1 by 2 plus tan 45 is equal to 1 minus cosecant 60 degrees is equal to 2 by root 3. Then this implies next divided by cot 45 is equal to 1 plus cos 60 degrees is equal to 1 minus secant 30 degrees is equal to 2 by root 3. Okay. Is it clear? 1 by 2 is there, 1 by 2 is there, plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 is there, plus 1 is there, minus 2 by root 3 minus 2 by root 3 is get cancelled, answer is 1. And I will simplify the next step. This implies 2. 1 mean I will take 1 by 1. Why? Because I will take denominator plus I will take 1. That value is no change. That's why I will take the 1. 1 mean 1 by 1. On this place also I will take 1 by 1. First this one numerator place value is 1 by 2 plus 1 by 1 minus 2 by root 3. LCM is 2 into 1 into root 3. 2 root 3. 2 root 3. On this place 2 is there. LCM is 2 root 3. Then 2 into root 3. 2 root 3 LCM is there. 2 into root 3. 2 root 3. ఎప్పుడైతే మనకి ఇక్కడ 2 ఉందో LCM 2 root 3 ఉంది కాబట్టి 2 root 3 రావడం కోసం మనం ప్రయత్నాన్ని చేయాలన్నమాట. ఆ విధంగా చేయడం కోసం 2 ను ఏం చేస్తున్నాం root 3 చేత మల్టిప్లై చేస్తున్నాం. 2 into root 3 2 root 3. On this place 1 is there. LCM is 2 root 3. Then 1 into 2 root 3 is equal to 2 root 3. On this place root 3 is there. 2 multiply 2 into root 3 2 root 3 root 3 into 2 2 root 3. That's why I will take on this place 2. Then 1 into root 3 plus 1 into 2 root 3 2 root 3 minus 2 into 2 is equal to 4. Then divided by, then denominator plus value is also same, multiply LCM 1 2 root 3. 2 root 3 is the LCM. Then on this place is 1. మనకు న్యూమరేటర్ లో కూడా 1 into 2 root 3 2 root 3. ఇక్కడ 2 ఉంది డినామినేటర్ ప్లేస్ లో. మనకు కావాల్సిన LCM 2 root 3. Then లేని వాల్యూ root 3. 2 into root 3 2 root 3. Next root 3 on this place is there. And 2 into root 3 2 root 3. That's why I will take on this place 1 into 2 root 3 is equal to 2 root 3 plus 1 into root 3 is equal to root 3 minus 2 into 2 is equal to 4. Then next I will simplify the problem. Root 3 plus 2 root 3 minus 4 by 2 root 3 into on this place denominator place is there. Denominator place goes to the numerator place. Numerator is denominator, denominator is numerator. Then on this place 2 root 3 by 2 root 3 plus root 3 minus 4. 2 root 3 cancel. Root 3 plus root 3 plus root 3 plus 2 root 3 minus 4. Then cancel is equal to 1. Then answer is sin 30 degrees plus tan 45 degrees minus cosec 60 degrees divided by cot 45 degrees plus cos 60 degrees minus secant 30 degrees value is equal to 1. Okay, is it clear? I will go to the next problem.